Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Lucid Dreams on Chrome Music Lab. First, navigate to Chrome Music Lab and open the Song Maker tool. You'll want to adjust the settings to ensure a 4-bar length, which provides enough space for the main loop. Set the scale to pentatonic and the key to C minor for the song's characteristic sound. Finally, select a synth or piano instrument for your melody. Now, let's input the iconic melody. In the first 2 bars, place the main melody notes, primarily using the top 2 rows of the grid for higher pitches. Pay close attention to the distinctive descending pattern that defines the song. Once you have the first 2 bars, simply repeat this melody pattern for the remaining 2 bars to complete the main loop. This creates the recognizable hook. Next, we'll add the crucial bass line to give the song its depth. Use the bottom 2 rows of the grid for these lower notes. Select a bass instrument, such as marimba or strings, to complement the melody. Align the bass notes with the root notes of your melody, typically on the first beat of each measure. This provides a solid rhythmic and harmonic foundation for the entire track. Finally, let's refine the tempo and save your masterpiece. Adjust the tempo slider to approximately 140 beats per minute for the song's characteristic feel. Listen to the full 4-bar loop and make any minor adjustments to note placement or timing. Once satisfied, click the Save button to generate a unique, shareable link. You can then share your creation with friends or on social media.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.